Hi, Stephen from Owner Disown. Now, if you're in the market for a slim gaming keyboard, I think you should look at what Havit have got to offer. Now, I have had one of their notebook coolers for quite some time now, and it's been pretty good. I do like it, very reliable. So if you go on their website, you'll see that actually they do other things too, such as mice and keyboards. And they were kind enough to send me the KB395L here, which is, I say, it's a slim, fairly lightweight gaming keyboard, and it probably could be perfect, if you travel a bit and you want to put it in a bag. It saves a bit of space there. It's like 28.5 millimeters thick. It's an RGB keyboard, and it comes with there's two different types. There's the 104 key one or the 87 key. Now the 104 key, you can either have it with blue switches or you can have it with red switches. Now the blue switches will be a bit more clicky. The red switches are nice and quiet. And of course, then you can also have the smaller one without a number pad with the 87 keys, and it says RGB backlit. Each key can be configured to whatever color you want. So you can have 5 presets, FN and 12. They will flash. Press the one you want. Pick the keys you want to identify. FN 12 again locks them in. FN and the reset button here, long press for about 3 seconds, will reset it to the default, which is like a wave. Now, in addition to that, you can also have set patterns as well. So FN and F6, you have that type of pattern. F7, you have it going like that, like pulse. And of course, you can alter the speed. There's 10 different speeds. You can go faster or slower. And it all looks pretty cool. And then you've got that's the one I just done. F8 is the snake. So if we speed that up, it'd be like a snake going along backwards and forwards like that. And then you've got raindrops. Speed it up. And of course, and then you've got I have it always on. Now you can alter the brightness, of course, by these keys. Lowering it down or making it brighter. Now this type of pattern, you can press these buttons to make it flow upwards. To go downwards, to go from right to left or left to right. So a lot of customization. This is very nice. And you can also use the software. Now, once you've got the software installed, you can either pick one of the various numerous standard effects that they have. You also have game mode, either on or off. You can lock the Windows key, and you can also alter the response time for which the key is activated. So that's nice. You can also alter the USB report rate. You can create a macro. You can do various basic operations, whether assign it to a media function, a shortcut, and you can also use it to play a sound, or start up a program or a particular file. Now, it is quite a nice little design. I do like the style of it. There is a nice chrome finish around the edge, and it is comfortable to use. I enjoyed typing on it for work. It was pretty good, and it's with these red switches, it was pretty quiet as well. So if you are using it in an office setting, for instance, you won't disturb too many people. And there's 3 millimeter of travel, so that is pretty nice. And for gaming, it worked pretty well too as well. I did like it. And what I'm going to be doing is actually going to be giving this away. I'm going to put a comment down in below. And if you're a subscriber and you've got a comment, I will do a giveaway. And I'll leave it about a week, and then I'll just randomly pick somebody and I'll just ship it to you. So that'll be a quite nice little gift. And I'd like to thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.